Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best unlock chip is probably one of the most revolutionary yet often misunderstood gadgets for smartphone users, offering the freedom to switch carriers, travel internationally without exorbitant roaming fees, and potentially increase your device's resale value, all while navigating a landscape of technical complexities and compatibility nuances that demand careful consideration before making a purchase. Number 5. SIGTUNA Folding Bike Lock. Introducing the SIGTUNA Folding Bike Lock. This heavy-duty solution keeps your bicycle safe and sound. It's designed with hardened steel and an anti-scratch coating to protect your paintwork. Crafted from high-strength steel, this lock boasts exceptional tensile strength. It's built to withstand attempts at tampering, providing robust protection for your valuable bike. Its high-security cylinder features a double deadbolt locking mechanism. This advanced design offers superior resistance against picking and prying, ensuring your peace of mind. This foldable lock comes with an easy-to-install mounting system. You can quickly attach it to your bike, making it convenient to carry and use whenever you need it. It's perfect for a wide range of uses, from traditional bicycles to electric bikes. You can also secure various outdoor equipment with its reliable grip. What we like. This lock boasts high-strength steel and a double deadbolt mechanism for superior security. If you are looking for robust protection and peace of mind for your bike, this is an excellent choice. Its easy mounting system makes it convenient for daily use, perfect for commuters. What people say. Number 4. Sprint UICC Nano SIM Card SIMBLU 436C. Introducing the Sprint UICC Nano SIM Card, model SIMBLU 436C. This essential card helps you connect to the Sprint network and its associated carriers. It is specifically designed for a range of Apple devices. This includes iPhone 5C, 5S, 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, 7, 7 Plus, and SE models, along with iPad Air and iPad Air 2. Please note, this card is not compatible with newer Apple devices. This includes iPhone 8, iPhone 10, and any models released after them. Furthermore, it is not designed for use with Android phones. If you are uncertain about which SIM card to purchase for your device, please contact the seller for assistance. This card is intended for use on the Sprint network. It also supports Sprint's mobile virtual network operators, such as Boost, Virgin, Ting, and Flash Wireless. What we like. This SIM card is specifically designed for Sprint and its MVNOs, ensuring reliable connectivity on their network. If you own an older iPhone model, 5C through 7 Plus, and need a compatible SIM, this is tailored for you. It's ideal for users who are already on Sprint or planning to join one of its partner networks. What people say. Number 3. Puffin Smart 4G 5G LTE Data-Only SIM Card. This data-only SIM card provides dependable internet for your security cameras, travel hotspots, and dashcams. It ensures your devices stay connected wherever you go. Enjoy robust 5G, 4G, and LTE coverage across AT&T and T-Mobile networks. It operates seamlessly in the US, Canada, Mexico, and most European countries, backed by a lifetime warranty. It's compatible with a wide range of unlocked 5G, 4G LTE devices, including security cameras, tablets, and hotspots. This card supports popular brands like Realink and Netgear. Bring reliable internet to remote areas lacking infrastructure. It intelligently switches between AT&T and T-Mobile, ensuring constant uptime for your outdoor gear in deep woods or rural environments. Pay only for the data you need with flexible plans ranging from 1 GB to 36 GB. These ensure your devices remain active without any long-term contracts. No tech skills are required, a simple 4-step web app activation gets your device online in minutes. A Louisville-based support team is also available to help optimize settings. What we like. This data-only SIM offers intelligent switching between AT&T and T-Mobile networks for optimal coverage, even in remote areas. If you need reliable internet for security cameras, travel hotspots, or other IoT devices in challenging environments, this provides consistent uptime. Its flexible data plans mean you only pay for what you need, making it cost-effective for various applications. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. EIOTCLUB eSIM card. Introducing the EIOTCLUB eSIM card. It comes with a pre-installed seed profile, offering free data for the US and globally. You can download and store up to 8 eSIM profiles simultaneously, giving you incredible flexibility. Travel the world with ease. This single card eliminates the need for multiple physical SIMs when you're abroad. Simply download new eSIM profiles for different countries directly through its dedicated app. Getting started is simple. Just insert it into your device and activate it using the companion app. You'll instantly connect to eSIM services, and managing all your profiles is effortlessly done through the same app. Designed for most unlocked Android phones, it comes pre-cut in 3 sizes for easy fitting. This card enables full roaming functionality on your device. For iPhones with eSIM capability, you can purchase and download profiles via its app. If your iPhone uses a physical SIM slot, insert this card, but remember to use an Android device or card reader with its app to manage new eSIM profiles. Before purchasing, please ensure your device is compatible to enjoy its full features. Our dedicated customer support team is always ready to assist you, ensuring a smooth experience whenever you need help. What we like. This innovative eSIM adapter allows for unlimited eSIM profile downloads and global travel convenience, eliminating the need for multiple physical SIMs. If you are a frequent international traveler or want to manage multiple mobile plans on one device, this offers unparalleled flexibility. It's especially suitable for Android users with unlocked phones looking for a seamless way to switch carriers worldwide. What people say. Number 1. 30 PCS Programmable Blank USIM Card for Telecom Operators. Introducing a pack of 30 writable and programmable USIM cards. These are designed for advanced users and telecom operators. Please note, these cards require professional engineering knowledge. If you are unfamiliar with SIM card programming, this product may not be suitable for you. Each blank LTE USIM card comes in a convenient 3-in-1 format. You can easily convert it to standard, micro, or nano SIM sizes, supporting 2FF, 3FF, and 4FF. These cards are compatible with 4G FDD LTE, WCDMA, and GSM networks. They are specifically intended for use by telecommunications operators. Access the newest version of the LTE card writing software for seamless programming. This essential tool helps you configure them efficiently. Each purchase includes a generous quantity of 30 programmable LTE cards. This ensures you have ample supply for your operational needs. What we like. These blank USIM cards are fully programmable and compatible with 4G LTE networks, offering versatility for specialized applications. If you are a telecom operator or a professional engineer with specific network configuration needs, these provide the raw material for custom solutions. They are designed for those who understand SIM card programming and require a bulk supply for development or deployment. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in a source JSON to get relevant points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.